I bought and tested these zero-drop running shoes, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you want shoes that not only feel great, but also support your natural running style. Stick around as I dive deep into the top 5 options I found.
Product number 1. Beret Zoe Barefoot Sneakers. When I first slipped on the Beret Zoe Barefoot sneakers, it felt like my feet were being cradled in a gentle embrace. The wide toe box was a game changer, allowing my toes to splay naturally, which I didn't realize was so important until I tried it. You see, for years I'd been cramming my feet into traditional running shoes, and the discomfort was always there, lurking in the background. But with these shoes, I felt a sense of freedom. The zero-drop sole made me more aware of my foot placement, helping me to run more naturally and comfortably. One of the standout features is the flexible rubber sole. I took these shoes to the local park, where I ran on different surfaces from grass to gravel. The traction was impressive. I felt secure and balanced, which is crucial for trail running. Plus, the arch support insole really surprised me. I usually have a hard time finding shoes that provide support without feeling restrictive, but this design activated my foot muscles, giving me stability without that cramped feeling. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, they are stylish enough to wear casually thanks to the minimalist design. I got compliments while walking around the neighborhood. The comfort level is high, and they truly accommodate all activities, from running to hiking. However, the only downside I noticed was that the sizing can be a bit tricky. I had to return in exchange for a size that fit better, so be sure to measure your feet accurately. So why should you buy the Beret Zoe Barefoot sneakers? If you're looking for a shoe that enhances your natural running style, offers comfort, and is versatile enough for daily wear, these are worth considering. At just $28.49, they offer great value for money. Plus, they're a fantastic introduction into the world of zero-drop footwear.
Product number 2. Acid-Vo Minimalist Walking Shoes. Stepping into the Acid-Vo wide men's barefoot shoes, I noticed right away how lightweight they felt. The no-sew design really caught my attention. It makes for a clean, sleek look while enhancing durability. I decided to take them for a spin on a busy urban trail, and the wide toe box was a revelation. I could feel my toes spreading comfortably, which made each step feel more natural. The zero-drop sole kept me grounded, and I could feel every nuance of the pavement beneath me. This connectedness to the ground made my runs feel more engaging and alive. What really impressed me was the grip. The textured rubber sole handled the urban terrain with ease, providing excellent traction even when I hit wet patches. I felt secure, and there were no slips or slides, which is a common issue I face with other shoes. Also, the insoles are removable, which is a huge plus if you need to swap them out for arch support. I appreciated this customization, as my feet sometimes need a bit of extra help. Now, let's tackle the pros and cons. On the upside, these shoes are incredibly breathable, making them perfect for warmer weather. They also accommodate a variety of activities, from gym workouts to casual walks. However, the lack of a more cushioned midsole may not be for everyone. If you prefer more padding, you might find them a bit firm for long runs. Why buy the Acid-Vo Minimalist Walking Shoes? If you're searching for a versatile, lightweight shoe that promotes a natural foot position and is built to last, these are a solid choice. At $41.99, they provide an excellent balance of quality and affordability, especially for anyone keen on zero-drop footwear.
Product number 3. Witten Men's Trail Running Shoes. My experience with the Witten Men's Barefoot Trail Running Shoes was nothing short of exhilarating. The first time I wore them, I took a long run on a mixed terrain trail, and I could feel the spacious forefoot allowing my feet to move freely. The wide toe box was like an open invitation for my toes to spread out, and I immediately felt more stable. What struck me was the trail-specific mesh that hugged my foot while keeping it secure. I didn't have to worry about dirt or debris getting inside, which is a common nuisance with other shoes. The extra padding around the ankle collar felt soft against my skin, locking my heel in place without constricting it. This is essential for me, as I've had issues with blisters in the past. The grippy rubber soles with a 3mm trail lug pattern were impressive too. They provided excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces, making uphill climbs much more manageable. When considering the pros and cons, the benefits are clear. The shoes are lightweight, breathable, and provide a fantastic sensory experience with the ground. However, on the downside, if you're used to heavily cushioned shoes, you may find these a bit minimalistic. Why should you buy the Witten Men's Trail Running Shoes? If you want a shoe that offers a perfect blend of comfort and performance on rugged terrains, this is your pick. At $42.99, they deliver exceptional value for trail enthusiasts looking for a barefoot experience.
Product number 4. Mifawa Minimalist Cross Training Shoes. Putting on the Mifawa Minimalist shoes felt like rediscovering my feet. The wide toe box was an absolute delight, allowing my toes to spread naturally. I wore them during a cross-training session, and the zero-drop sole made a noticeable difference in my form. I felt more aligned and stable, which empowered me to engage my muscles better during squats and lunges. The fact that they use a zero-drop design encourages a mid-foot strike, which is what many trainers recommend for better biomechanics. The arch support is another aspect I loved. The removable insoles provided just the right amount of support without feeling intrusive. I didn't experience any discomfort, even after a long gym session. Plus, the anti-slip soles gave me confidence while navigating through various surfaces. Whether it was gym floors or outdoor trails, I felt secure. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the upside, these shoes are incredibly versatile. I found them perfect not just for workouts, but also for casual outings. The traction is impressive, especially on uneven terrain. On the downside, some users might find them a bit stiff initially, as they're designed for a more natural feel. Why buy the Mifawa Minimalist shoes? If you're looking for a versatile shoe that you can wear for workouts, hiking, or just everyday activities, these are a fantastic option. Priced at $29.59, they offer incredible value, especially for anyone venturing into minimalist footwear.
Product number 5. Ultra Men's Escalante 4. The moment I slipped my feet into the Ultra Men's Escalante 4 road running shoes, I knew I was in for a treat. Weighing in at just 9.5 ounces, these shoes felt feather light, yet they provided a cushioned experience that I wasn't expecting from a zero-drop shoe. The Ultra Ego midsole is something special. It offers just enough cushioning while still allowing for that close-to-the-ground feel that I love in zero-drop footwear. I took them out for a long run on the pavement, and the moderate cushioning made each step feel like I was gliding, reducing fatigue. The stack height of 24 millimeters was just right for me. It provided enough cushioning without compromising my connection to the ground. I felt stable and supported, which is critical during longer runs. The rubber outsole also provided excellent traction, allowing me to navigate various surfaces without concern. What surprised me was how well they handled both speed work and longer distances. They are truly versatile. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. The positives are clear: lightweight, comfortable, and versatile enough for different types of runs. However, the price might be a sticking point for some, as they retail at $129.99, which is on the higher end for zero-drop shoes. So why should you consider the Ultra Men's Escalante 4? If you're serious about running and want a shoe that offers both comfort and performance, this is a worthy investment. The quality is evident, and they truly excel at providing a minimalist feel without sacrificing the cushioning that long-distance runners often need.
In conclusion, whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like Parezzo and Mifawa, or you want to invest in quality with Ultra, there's a zero-drop shoe for everyone. Each of these shoes has its strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Choose one that fits your lifestyle, and happy running!